some of the ducks. They are really making beautiful noise. Hello. Hi guys. They're just greeting you. There's one actually coming from the other side. Hello. Okay. Yeah, they are just in the farm, and this farm is called Sakato. Yeah, they're just making a lot of noise. They're, they're looking after each other. This is Lotuamodo. I'm just still in the farm here. They are so beautiful, 4 of them. They're just walking around. You can see. I really love them. Look at that. Are you enjoying that? Okay. Oh dear. Yeah. Okay, this is just in the farm here. This is yeah. This is in the farm, and I leave you. Bye. Bye bye.